Do you go to school or work? Do you go to school or work?
I go to school. I go to school.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study accounting. I study accounting.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
I like mathematics. I like mathematics.
Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Diallo is my favorite teacher. Mr. Diallo is my favorite teacher.
What time do your classes start? What time do your classes start?
At 8 a.m. At 8 a.m.
What time do you finish school? What time do you finish school?
At 4 p.m. At 4 p.m.
Do you have homework? Do you have homework?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
Do you like your school? Do you like your school?
Yes, it's a good school. Yes, it's a good school.
Do you have many classmates? Do you have many classmates?
Yes, we are many. Yes, we are many.
Do you eat lunch at school? Do you eat lunch at school?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
What job do you do? What job do you do?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work in a private school. I work in a private school.
What time do you start work? What time do you start work?
At 9 a.m. At 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work?
At 5 p.m. At 5 p.m.
Do you have a break at work? Do you have a break at work?
Yes, at noon. Yes, at noon.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting. Yes, it's interesting.
Who do you work with? Who do you work with?
I work with my colleagues. I work with my colleagues.
Do you wear a uniform? Do you wear a uniform?
No, I wear casual clothes. No, I wear casual clothes.
Is your job difficult? Is your job difficult?
Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes.
Do you have meetings? Do you have meetings?
Yes, once a week. Yes, once a week.
Do you work every day? Do you work every day?
No, not on Sundays. No, not on Sundays.
Do you like your boss? Do you like your boss?
Yes, he is kind. Yes, he is kind.
Do you get a salary? Do you get a salary?
Yes, every month. Yes, every month.
Do you have holidays? Do you have holidays?
Yes, in August. Yes, in August.
Do you work on weekends? Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you travel for work? Do you travel for work?
No, I stay in the city. No, I stay in the city.
Do you use a computer at work? Do you use a computer at work?
Yes, for reports. Yes, for reports.
Is your job stressful? Is your job stressful?
Not really. Not really.
Do you want to change jobs? Do you want to change jobs?
No, I like it. No, I like it.
What job do you want in the future? What job do you want in the future?
I want to be an accountant. I want to be an accountant. Thank you.